Ovendesign Group Limited, established in 2020, is spearheaded by the renowned pizza oven designer, Mr. Wang. Since the introduction of pizza ovens to mainland China by a Taiwanese company in 1985, Mr. Wang has wholeheartedly devoted himself to the pizza oven industry. During this period, he personally undertook orders for hundreds of millions of pizza ovens, creating unique and innovative pizza oven products for numerous European and American clients, and repeatedly winning awards in relevant design competitions. Guided by industry veterans, our youthful team garnered attention early on for its innovative approach. Ovendesign dedication extends to the design, production, and sale of pizza ovens, with a steadfast commitment to placing design innovation at the forefront. Our independently developed clay pizza oven brand, FIAMO, received widespread attention upon its launch. Simultaneously, we offer design and production services for outdoor portable pizza ovens, meeting the ODM and OEM needs of our clients. Furthermore, our products have been awarded the CE and CSA certificates, securing multiple product design patents domestically and internationally. As a passionate and dynamic young company, Ovendesign consistently pursues excellence and innovation. Our mission is to create high-quality pizza ovens, ensuring that every household can savor the deliciousness brought by our designed pizza ovens. We sincerely invite you to join us on this exhilarating journey, hand in hand, as we collectively shape the brilliant future of the outdoor oven domain.
I started Ovendesign in 2020, but our mentor designer Wang has been in the BBQ industry since 1985. Welcome to join us.
Welcome to join